Thank you for volunteering for the About Kids Health video project. In embracing our differences, we want to show that there are no limits to what you and other kids with arm and hand differences can do. As an occupational therapist, I help children with arm and hand differences learn daily living skills. I have learned 3 things over the years. First, kids are the experts in what they do and how they do it. Second, they are agents that help their success. Parents and family, peers, and therapists. And third, kids need to know that they are not alone. That's why this About Kids Health video project is so important. It will bring kids, parents, and families together because no one needs to face their differences alone.
Hi, my name is Johanna Ponethray and I am 28 years old. I have a left brachial plexus injury and this is what my arms look like. At my side, out, and straight up. I'm going to show you how I open a jar with the left brachial plexus injury. So because of the injury, I have trouble gripping things. So what I do is I take an elastic band, I tie it around the lid, and I'm able to open the jar.
For more information, please email us. Thank you for your support.